Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my supporters. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code. And this video, as usual, is sponsored by EVBase. I'm in my 2021 Tesla Model Y. I bought it in September of 2021. And it has, I'm going to show you in a minute, I'm going to go kilometers and miles alternatively, so people that from Canada or from Europe use kilometers can know, and people from the United States. This is 150,739 kilometers review, about 92,000 miles. 24,353 kilowatt hour of use, and 161.6 watt hour per kilometer. And this is what, 6.18 kilometers per watt hour per kilometer, 3.7 miles per kilowatt hour, per watt hour, which is per kilowatt hour. Okay, so this car goes 6.18 kilometers per kilowatt, 3.7 miles per kilowatt, which means it has about 482 kilometers of total range. Used to, when I bought it, was at 530, which is about 9% loss of range, which happens in the first 30 to 50,000 miles, about 70,000 kilometers or so, and then it stays this way. And then it stays well. Now the key for this car is one and one only. Charge it to 80% on daily basis. If you need longer trip, then you'll be able to charge on Supercharger, which I do when I go on longer trip, which explains the 92,000 miles, 150,000 kilometers, kilometers on this car, because I do take long trips, at least twice, sometimes 3 times a year. I take like 4,000, 5,000 kilometers trips from northern New Jersey to Florida with my wife, and to Canada, Northeast. We drive, and sometimes I do some Ubering. We drive. This used to be our trip car until we bought the Tesla Model Y Juniper, which is right behind me. So that car got the honors of driving all these kilometers now. So look, I'll tell you the most important things. This is really good advice. This is a great car. Great, awesome car. I'm not going to do exterior, interior, and all that. You all know that stuff. I'm going to do charging, which I just told you. Charge it to 80%. It will lose about 9-10% in the beginning, and then it will stay. It does have warranty, 8 years or 120,000 miles, 194,000 kilometers. So for the average normal driver, that's not me, this car will last no problem under warranty. Now, how do I know? Around 70,000 miles, I couldn't charge the battery. There was like one cell was short. Okay, so Tesla doesn't mess with it. They're not going to fix it for you. They're just going to take it out. They took it out and they put me a refurbished battery. Since then, no charge, no nothing. And that's what they do. Now, in the United States, I don't know in Europe or the Middle East, in the United States, nowadays there's a lot of mechanics, mechanics who fix batteries. So if you're out of warranty and you don't want to get extended warranty, which in the United States you can. I think there's a company called Amber, a Car Shield. Car Shields are annoying. They call you 20,000 times a day if you just go on their website. But Amber and whatever, you can get a very inexpensive extended warranty year by year, as long as you, or month by month, as long as you own this car, and you can prolong it and drive. This car can drive a long time. So the fact that it has for about 280 or so miles, whatever, 280 miles, 482 kilometers and all that, that's plenty. And it will stay like this for a long time. Long time. If it will go below 70% and you're still under warranty, Tesla will give you a new battery. But that doesn't happen. So I'm saying, if you live in the United States for sure, and you want to keep this car for 10 years, 15 years, and it's out of warranty, You can definitely get an extended warranty. That's number one. And even if you don't, and something happened, there's a lot of mechanics that fix sales. Sometimes it's just one block that needs to be there. But I highly recommend warranty. Ember, I know it's good, and others. So it's really, don't worry about it. I am telling you, you can drive this car forever. It's such a great car. Which leads me to maintenance, okay? So maintenance, basically, I tell you, maintenance is one word: tires. That's it, tires. The first set of tires lasted for about, I don't know, 50, 60, 70,000 miles. I changed the first one. Then not too long ago, I changed the next set. About $1,200. I buy all season tires. 24, maybe $2,500. That's it. I spend on tires. Cabin filter, I can put it myself. I can buy it for like $10 and put it myself. I'm lazy. So Tesla comes like 50, 60 bucks. They do the whole thing. I did it twice. And HEPA filter, it's due soon. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I don't. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I used the HEPA filter once because there was like a car fire on the highway. So basically, there is no maintenance. Really no maintenance. Now, charging, I'm lucky. I charge this car mostly at work, so it's free. And superchargers, I never paid like $1 supercharger because of all my referral code. Thank you those who use my referral, and I get all these supercharger for free. So that's that. But if you don't, let's say you don't, depends which state you are. 10 cents per kilowatt, 15 cents per kilowatt to charge this car. So if you're a normal driver, let's say 10 kilowatt, I don't know, $10, $5, depend your daily use. It's very, very inexpensive, much better than gas. And supercharges all depends on the actual supercharger. Some of them charge you 20 cents per kilowatt, some 40 cents per kilowatt. So it depends which state and what they have. So the maintenance is really nothing, really, really nothing. Now what I do recommend, highly recommend, is all season floor mat. I buy them on Amazon. I have all the links at the description of my video if you want to buy them. Floor mats are so important in the front, in the back, and in the trunk. I covered it all. Okay, you do not want to have water from your feet, snow, schmutz, mud in here. It can ruin your car. It can ruin it because water, once it gets mold, you can't get rid of that smell. No matter how many car washes you're going to give it. You can soap it, you can put dynamite. Nothing is going to take it away. So floor mats and car washes, hand car wash. If you go to car washes that buy, if you like to do it by yourself, it's even better. But not those automatic ones. That will ruin your car because it has a lot of pebbles in it. So if you keep it well, I'm telling you, keep it well. Do the basic maintenance. I do tire rotation every summer, winter. So that's important. Keep your tires even. That's why they will last. Now, I can tell you something. It's funny, not funny. When I go do tire rotation, if I have to change tires, the guy from the tire place, the guy from whatever, Midas, whatever, wherever I go, said, we love Teslas. I said, why? I said, because they eat tires. They eat tires because people like to go fast and spin their tires and this and that. But I'm chill. I use the autopilot, full self-drive, nice and even. I don't speed. I don't 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. I don't do that. So the tires will last for a long time. If you do good rotation twice a year, and if you drive chill, you will not have to change your... you will change your tire every 50, 60, even 70,000 miles. I'm telling you, this is what I do. It's really what I do. So it's really great. And I get the all season tires, about 1,000, 1,200. I order them from Tire Rack. They can come to the mechanic or they can come to your house and then you send it and then you do it. Okay? I do have one spare tire that I take with me, full size spare tire that I take with me to my long trips. Now, also, if you live in a hot weather state or country, this is good. The top is good. I buy all my stuff from Amazon and or from EV Base. Late in the last couple of years, everything I buy from EV Base. I will put you a link to their website. They're really great. So the back floor mats, I got with the components, the storages. So either one You can buy them from Amazon or you can buy them from EV Base, and it's fantastic. You're gonna love it. This, if you the ceiling, if you live in a hot state, this can help. Now in the new Tesla Model Y, the Juniper, the one behind me, we got it not too long ago. The glass roof is much more it's much more shield from the sun. I do have one. I got it from EV Base. I do have one. I put it when I'm in Florida, when it's really, really hot in the summer. But in Jersey, it's not that bad. Today it's like raining, so it's fine. It depends on you. I do recommend it. However, you don't even notice it. I don't even notice it anymore. I really don't. So the maintenance is good. The battery is good. Charging 80% is very important. Now I did get the panel next to on my seat, my driver's seat, got detached. I don't know how. I don't think I pulled it. I don't think it got stuck to my pants or anything. So Tesla's going to come and fix it, about a couple of $100. And they're going to put the cabin filter, because I haven't done it for a long time. And they're going to check the brake. I never put brakes because of the regenerative braking. I never had to change my brakes. Never, not even one time. Owning Teslas is so incredibly inexpensive. It's so awesome owning Teslas. So inexpensive. I really love this car. Hope to keep it many, many years. We'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, Moshe is here, and today I want to show you these two amazing bins, side bins for my Tesla Model Y Juniper that I got from EV Base. They're really good for storing stuff that you don't need to use, okay? So you basically put it in, and then for example on this side I store my charger adapter for if you charge in a non-Tesla Supercharger. Okay, see, nice, solid, you don't need it. Same thing on the other side. You put it in like so, and then the cover comes in, and here on this side I put like my pump, my air pump. Okay, so I don't see stuff I don't need to use all the time, only if you need it, and then it covers. You like it? I think it's beautiful.